Concerned about your iPhone's security? Let's learn how to use lockdown mode for extra protection. Hi, I'm Suyok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to use lockdown mode on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and go to the Privacy and Security settings. At the very bottom of the list, you can see the lockdown mode option. Tap on it to proceed. A description will appear with the information about the lockdown mode. Tap on the Turn on Lockdown Mode option. Scroll down at the bottom and tap on the Turn on Lockdown Mode option once again. Finally, tap on the Turn on and Restart option and lockdown mode will be enabled on your iPhone. And this is how you can use lockdown mode on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.